welcome to our first tutorial on the 3 weeks graphic design course for absolute beginners. Today we are going to look at the interface of Adobe Illustrator. By now we would have all downloaded the software and installed them on our computers and possibly exploring some of the features. Now let's go quickly and open Adobe Illustrator. Mine is open already, so I'll just come to the taskbar and open it. Yes. So this is Adobe Illustrator. Normally when you open this is the first interface that shows out, but if you do not get this, you get the home interface. Now to get the home interface, you have to come and click on this home icon here. So you can see home. My machine is a little slow, but let's not mind that. When you click on home, this is the interface that shows. Normally you get your recent works being displayed here. It's one of my recent works, so you can see it there. Now we also have start a new file first. Now in starting a new file, you have to select your paper size or the size of your canvas. So the paper size, we have A4, postcard, web large, we have iPhone X, we have HD TV, we have custom size. These are all presets or default size that you can just choose from. But if you want to choose a size of your choice, you want to select a size of your choice, you just come here to create a new file. So you click on create. This dialog box pops up. Now on the dialog box you can see we have recent. These are the recent sizes I've used. We have saved. You can also save sizes that you use normally. We have mobile. These are different mobile sizes that you can choose from. We'll come back to this actually. We have web sizes. We have different sizes from print, from letter to A4 to B5. Then we have film and video, all sizes of HD, V and HD TV, 72 and code. Then we have art and illustrations. You can also choose from any of these sizes. But today we will look at how to choose actually a custom size, how to choose your own size. Yes, so let's say I'm doing a design for social media, for WhatsApp status. I will always recommend squares because it is easily readable. So to choose your size, you come here and come and choose your size. We have the units in which every size is measured. So we have points, picas, inches, millimeters, centimeters and pixels. I am conversant with pixels, so I always go with the pixels. So I choose pixels. Then you can choose the number of pixels you want for the width. So let's say I want 180 pixels. You can just highlight it and type the size you want in the height. I also want 180 pixels. Then here you can change your orientation, but because this is a square, the orientation remains the same whether it is portrait or landscape. We also have the bleed. We'll come back to that as well. Then we have advanced options or advanced settings. With the advanced setting, you can just click on this. It drops down these settings. This is where you can set your color mode, whether you want it to be RGB or CMYK. We'll actually come back to that to know which color mode to choose for our work. We can also choose the raster effect, which is more of the resolution here, and when you click down this, you can choose a high raster effect, which is 300 ppi, and ppi means pixel per inch. You can also choose a medium one, which is 150, and for screen, which is 72 ppi. That is when you are designing to be viewed on screen or for the web. We also have other settings here which we'll be coming back to. So after you are done with all the settings here, the next thing you do is to click on create, and now here you are ready to create a new file.